Hey guys, I need you to stop what you're doing and pay close attention to what I'm about to say because this next sentence is likely going to be the most important thing that you're going to hear all year. You ready? If you start building your email list today, it will provide you with an income for the rest of your life. Now that's a pretty bold statement. But what I'm about to show you will not only allow you to start growing your list, but will also start to generate you commissions almost immediately. Just like these guys. Now what you're seeing on screen are newbies that have followed a step-by-step 3-day challenge which has allowed them to set up their business and start making their first sales online. But I bet you're wondering, how am I going to go from not having an email list to having a fully fledged business with buyers in 3 days? Well, not only do we show you what products to promote, we also give you your very own audience to promote the products to. Upon joining Listline, you're given an email list, and on top of that, we show you how to get email swipes to copy and paste so that there's no writing involved for you. It truly is a done-for-you business. And this business doesn't cost a fortune to set up. In fact, it costs less than a cup of coffee, except it lasts a little bit longer than a cup of coffee. This is a business for life. If that sounds like your type of thing, all you need to do is click the link below this video, and when you reach the next page, scroll to the bottom, and I suggest that you listen to the testimonials before signing up, and it'll give you a true idea of what you can achieve with this program. Lastly, I want you to check out my daily emails for tips and advice on how to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. If you look in your inbox right now, you will see an email showing you my 5 top tips on getting your first $100 day with Listline, which could be much quicker than you think. Also, reach out to me via Facebook if you have any questions. I'll see you inside.